Do you want to edit the duration of the photos in your TikTok app, but don't know how to do it? You came to the right place. If you want to add photos to your TikTok video, but need one photo to last longer or shorter, or you want to change the duration of all photos, it's pretty simple to do that. Just make sure that your TikTok application is fully updated, and we can start right away. I'm going to open the TikTok application on my phone, and then I'll click on the plus button in order to start creating a new video. The next step is to select the photos which we want to add to our video, so we can do that by tapping on the upload button at the bottom right of our screen. That is going to open our photo gallery, where we can select all of the photos that we need. A very important step is to add at least one video clip to our project. And don't worry, we will delete the video later and it won't be in our final project if you don't need it. But it is important to add one video clip because it will give us access to the TikTok editor. So when you select your photos and one video, we can tap on this next button and then the slideshow will start playing for us. In order to edit the photo duration, we will click on this little arrow and you will be able to see the name of the different tools. We will tap on the edit tool right here and that's going to open the video editor for us. You can now drag the photo beginning or the end if you want to make the photo last longer or shorter. And as I said, we can delete the video from our timeline because we don't need it. We will only be left with our photos, and you can edit the duration here. If you're happy with your changes, you can tap on Next at the top right, and that's it. That is how you can easily edit the duration of the TikTok photos. If you need more similar TikTok tutorials, make sure to check out the playlist from the description of this video, and I will see you in the next one.